What if I told you that a struggling restaurant with just 15 orders a day thought the secret was artificial intelligence? And today, I'm going to reveal exactly how they did it. Welcome to AIMASTERTZ. I'm about to show you the complete blueprint that's revolutionizing the restaurant industry. If you're a restaurant owner, manager, or entrepreneur, let me paint you a picture that might feel painfully familiar. The average small restaurant loses 23% of potential orders due to missed phone calls. Traditional methods are bleeding restaurants dry, but here's the exciting news. AI has created solutions for every single one of these problems. Let me show you exactly how to implement each one. Secret number 1. And this is the biggest game changer. AI-powered chatbots and ordering systems. Here's what most restaurant owners do and know. 67% of customers prefer to order through chat rather than calling. Let me show you exactly how to set this up. Tool number 2, Tidio. This goes on your website. The stunning secret here? The restaurant I studied saw these results in 30 days. 89% of after-hours inquiries converted to orders. Average order value increased by 23% due to AI upselling. Staff saved for hours daily on phone calls. If you need help setting this up, contact AIMASTERTZ at 5575 for 825 We'll guide you through every step. Secret number 2 is something 90% of small restaurants ignore. Here's the shocking truth. The average restaurant wastes 4 to 10% of purchased ingredients. Enter AI inventory tools. The ones that deliver the best results are MarketMan. This tool does something magical. It learns your busy days. BlueCart. The free version is perfect for small restaurants. The restaurant in our case study reduced food waste by 34% in 60 days. That translated to $847 monthly savings. The tool cost just $129 per month. For a custom inventory analysis for your restaurant, reach out to AIMASTERTZ. Our contact is on screen. Now we're getting to the really exciting stuff. Secret number 3 is AI-powered marketing automation. Forget everything you know about restaurant marketing. Here are the tools that generated incredible results. Jasper AI and Copy AI. These write your marketing content. The prompt is, write a social media post for a cuisine-type restaurant promoting specific dish. This prompt generated posts that received 340% more engagement than their previous content. Predictive AI. This is the secret weapon. It creates complete social media content. Graphics, captions, hashtags, and scheduling. In 60 seconds, you have professional content that would take a marketing agency an hour to create. MailChimp's AI features. The secret here is their customer journey builder. This automated email system alone brought back 23% of inactive customers. Combined results from AI marketing. Social engagement up to 180%. Email open rates increased to 42%. Customer return rate improved by 35%. New customer acquisition cost dropped by 60%. Secret number 4 is how AI transforms the customer experience. And this creates the word-of-mouth marketing that money can't buy. Did you know that 94% of customers read reviews before choosing a restaurant? And a 1-star increase on Yelp can boost revenue by 5 to 9%. Tool 1, Birdeye or Podium. These AI tools automatically request reviews at the perfect moment. Here's the secret setup. Configure it to send review requests 2 hours after the meal. Tool 2, Square Loyalty or Toast Loyalty. With AI, the AI component analyzes customer behavior and automatically offers personalized rewards. Tool 3, OpenTable or Resi AI features. The AI predicts no-shows with 85% accuracy and automatically manages overbooking to maximize tables without disappointing customers. The secret feature enables Smart Waitlist, which uses AI to estimate accurate wait times, reducing walkouts by 40%. When you combine these tools, you create an AI-powered feedback loop. Great experience leads to automatic review request. positive review boosts visibility. Secret number 5 is the AI brain that connects everything together. Operations and analytics tools that make you feel like you have a business consultant working 24/7. 7 Shifts AI Scheduling. This tool solved one of the biggest headaches in the restaurant industry. The secret feature enabled demand-based scheduling. If AI predicts a slow Tuesday due to weather, it automatically reduces scheduled staff. Analytics with AI. Whether you use dedicated restaurant analytics or connect your POS to Power BI. Real secrets uncovered by AI analysis. Appetizer orders dropped 60% when menu prices ended in 99 instead of. The next level secret, voice AI. Tools like SoundHound or Conversino are being used by forward-thinking restaurants. One pizza restaurant increased average order value by 18% because the AI never forgot to ask, "Would you like to add breadsticks or a drink?" Now, I know this might feel overwhelming, so let me give you the exact 90-day implementation roadmap that the successful restaurant followed. Days 1 through 30 Foundation Phase. Week 1. Set up chatbot for order taking. Choose ManyHat or Tidio. Week 2. Days 31 through 60 Optimization Phase. Week 5. Implement Inventory AI. Marketman or Bluecard. Week 6. Set up AI Scheduling 7 Shifts. Week 7. Launch Loyalty Program with AI Personalization. Week 8. Connect analytics across all platforms. Days 61 through 90 Growth Phase. Week 9. Analyze data and optimize. Week 10. Expand chatbot to handle more complex requests. Week 11. Implement advanced marketing automation. Week 12. Review results and plan next phase. Total monthly investment for all essential tools, $200 to $400 potential monthly savings. Let me leave you with the final results from the restaurant that followed this exact blueprint. Orders increased from 15 to 63 daily. This transformation is possible for your restaurant. But I know implementing all of this alone can be challenging. If this video provided value, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Watch this video next to learn about AI tools for reducing restaurant no-shows by 80%. Thank you for watching AIMASTERTZ. Your AI-powered success story starts now.